Hey, what's up, everybody on YouTube? All right, so Spikeman got pulled over on his mini bike today. Let's go ahead and roll the clip and show you guys what went down.
Let's go for a ride, motherfuckers! Tacoma. Damn, got pulled over by a cop. What's up, bud?
Parked you in lead with an unlicensed route. How's it going, man?
It's a going. Hold on, let me get my ID out for you.
So where are you headed to?
I'm just cruising around the neighborhood. I live around 411 South 2nd Street.
Okay. You can't have this thing on the road without registration, insurance, meaning a license plate and everything. And
It's under 99 cc's.
It doesn't matter. It's
Really?
gas powered. It's not human powered or an electric mobility.
What was the
assisted
whole law
device.
with the 49 cc's?
Something somebody made up a long time ago, I guess, to sell scooters.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, here's my license.
Do you have a motorcycle endorsement or anything?
No, I don't.
Okay.
Just a license. It's a mini bike, so it's not classified as a motorcycle.
It's got two wheels in the state of Arizona, and you're riding it with a gas-powered engine. It's a motorcycle.
Really?
Yep. Just
I didn't know that. Seriously,
Yep.
because it's under a mini bike, like I had no idea.
Nope. Got to have registration. Got to have insurance. You have to have a motorcycle endorsement.
All right, cool
And a
deal.
valid license.
I was actually wondering about that.
27. You found out.
Yeah.
Can you keep your hand out of your pocket for me, bud?
Oh, yeah,
You don't have any weapons
absolutely.
on you or anything like that, right?
No.
Okay. Male, Arizona, last of Robinson, first of Daniel, date of birth 2/15 of 1987.
Nice bike, by the way, dude.
Thank you.
Yeah, I actually just got the 212 Harbor Freight on this.
The engine?
Yeah. It had the stock 3-horse on it. I was like, dude, that thing's so weak, dude. Oh, sorry, again with the pocket. But the engine was just so weak, dude. I couldn't do nothing with it. So I'm like, I got the 212 Harbor Freight engine on there. These things are rockets if you actually get all the stage 3 on them.
What's it, like 15 horse now or what?
I want to say about 15 to 20. I honestly had no idea, like, the whole law with the mini bikes on the road. Like, I can actually get this registered?
Yes. The MVD will issue a registration for it.
Dude, that is so cool.
But there's still certain restrictions on where you can drive it.
And could you tell me where I'm allowed to drive it if I got it registered?
You'd have to talk to them because it's like a 25 mile per hour zone kind of thing. See if I can get a good picture of them in here, but it's kind of tore up.
Yeah, it's the first exhaust I had on it came straight up over the exhaust. I mean the frame, and it was just the stock 3-horse, and I was doing a lot of mobbing on that thing, dude. But like seriously, once I got the 212, the stock 3-horse aftermarket pipe that is made for the 3-horse will not fit and adapt to the 212. So I had to get everything totally revamped. Dear God, please tell me this is just a warning, right?
What's your phone number?
715-1807-928 area code.
Well, here's what's going to happen, man. I'm going to write you a citation just for not having registration. And I'm going to write you a warning for the rest of the stuff. But
Awesome.
really, I can write you a citation, actually arrest you for not having the driver's license and driving that, because you have to have a motorcycle endorsement.
But it's a
But I'm
mini
not
bike.
gonna- exactly. I'm not going to go through all that.
Right.
I'm just going to cut you a warning on that stuff. Okay?
Awesome, dude.
39 DR.
All right, so I will actually, to get that annulled, I will have to, do I have to go to court?
22625, call from 0804.
Yes, if you want to fight it in court,
No, I'm not saying fight it. I'm just saying, do I have to go to
you
court?
don't have to. You could just flat out pay it if you wanted.
And what's the citation?
It's, I think, $165.
Are you serious?
I'm serious. But if I wrote you for everything, we'd be talking near $2,000.
Wow, dude.
So,
$160 citation for no mini bike registration. Are you serious?
yes, sir. You're operating on a public roadway.
Well, I've asked the officers in the past, and they said they didn't have any issues with it. Why all of a sudden do I have an issue with you on this?
Maybe you asked the wrong officer. I don't know who you asked about it. But
They were all in just regular, like, whatever the cruiser vehicles they're in, but, like, they honestly said I wasn't breaking no laws, dude.
135 responded 987 Shadow Crestway. RP Jean called in, advising she's willing to speak to an officer in reference criminal damage to 2 vehicles. Windows have been broken.
Ooh, that doesn't sound good.
steady flow of business every day.
Man, I just hate it when I hear something like that. It's like, especially, I just got a brand new Chevy Cruze, and like, if somebody were to come and do that for no reason whatsoever to my car, I'd definitely be like, up in arms, you know?
Do you know what year the scooter is?
2016. By the way, you are on GoPro, just so you know.
You're on GoPro too.
Oh, well, what's up?
And they call that thing a... Well, I'm not going to write all that.
It's a Coleman CT100U.
Yeah.
It's a Coleman CT100U, aka the Reaper.
You
Yeah.
don't have any idea what the VIN number was before it got altered?
As far as everything, I bought this bike from Walmart online.
Uh-huh.
So as far as all this registration date and tag stuff right here goes, that's what I got.
Okay. Go with what? As close as we can get. It's probably a 6 and then some digits and maybe 5, 7 up.
Well, hey, I seriously appreciate you being cool about it, at least to like,
No problem.
if I could, I'm pretty sure if I actually get the darn thing registered and then I prove registration in the court, they would probably see otherwise, right?
Might, but because it's not registered right now and this is the time of the incident, they probably won't.
Well, here's the thing. I've been pulled over from a cop, or an officer, excuse me, when I was actually out on a pizza delivery, and he said he ran my plates, and he said supposedly it came up in his system as, what was it, something to do with unregistered, or it didn't come up in his system as registered. So he said basically I had a $500 ticket looking for.
Is that on your car though? You're talking about on your car?
No. It was on my car. It was on the Kia, no, not the Kia Spectra, the Suzuki Esteem. I switched over from the Suzuki Esteem, dropped insurance on that, and then had it re-forwarded to the Kia Spectra.
Yeah.
And I got pulled over, and this guy said, well, it came up in my system, so if you want to go ahead and just show the courts that you have valid information and all that, da-da-da-da-da. I went to the court. My cat just got attacked by a coyote just the same frickin' night. So now I'm having to rush him to the hospital while having to go to court at the same time. He's under surgery. I'm in court. Thank God my registry was all fucking checked out, because, like, seriously, dude, that was a $500 ticket I was looking at for expired tags that this officer said and writ up a bogus ticket for me. So I was like, no, dude, I work for Pizza Hut. So I'm like, there's no way in hell anything could be bogus. How could you possibly have that in your system? And he's like, I don't know, man.
Describing an insurance violation instead of a registration violation?
No. Everything was good. It's just I dropped the insurance from the Suzuki to the, and I had it reinstated to the Kia. So I don't know what happened or how it came up.
That's a different violation. That's an insurance violation. And that actually, we cite on that for not proving you have insurance when work on.
But I have the proper paperwork,
and
and
you can go to court later
yeah,
to prove you have insurance.
yeah, and
This
that's
is a registration violation, not an insurance violation.
so. How does that come up on your guys' system?
This won't come up at all because I don't even have a VIN number.
No, I mean on the car itself.
through the MVD.
Oh,
MVD
see,
reports
no,
that-
I went to the MVD and they said they couldn't find nothing. So he wrote a bogus ticket, legitimately.
Well, I wasn't there, so I don't know.
Again, I proved myself right. Just saying, not anything towards you, but like towards that other officer. It was ridiculous. Like, I had all the right paperwork. Pizza Hut has every single piece of information to make sure our drivers are legit to be on the road. So I'm like, I don't even understand how that happened. So other than that, it's just a registration thing, right?
Well, like I said, you're supposed to have insurance, registration, and you need to have motorcycle endorsement.
Depending on the classification of vehicle, correct?
Yeah, and that's a motorcycle.
It's a mini bike.
Okay, it's a motorcycle by the state of Arizona. I'm telling you. I'm not guessing about that.
All right.
I'm making it up. I'm telling you. The only exceptions for that are electric mobility assisting devices and things that are human powered like a bicycle.
Alrighty.
Here's that for you, Daniel.
Yeah, not a problem.
Like I said, I just got you a warning here on,
Do I have to sign?
on that part. You're not going to have to sign that one. I didn't completely fill it out. I want to get you out of here.
All right.
The thing is, you're going to need to push the bike from here home, okay?
Yeah.
I'm going to be down in this area. That's very loud. I'll be able to hear it running again, okay? And
Well, good
I'll
news
come
is my
contact
uncle's
you
right in the
again.
area. Literally just a block away.
Won't be as nice. And please don't ride through school parking lots either anymore, because I saw that too,
Okay.
okay? It's not made to be a pass-through. You're supposed to go around the school when you're driving. Like if you're
But if I got it registered,
still is not made to be a pass-through, because it's private property. It's the school. You're not supposed to be driving through there to come across. You're supposed to be going up.
okay, I got
on
you. I
the
got
street,
you.
You know what I mean? So
Like, it doesn't matter if you're in a car or nothing. It's just, it's not a
Yeah.
pass through.
you have
Period.
until August 28th to take care of this, all right? At 3 p.m. I'm going to give you an envelope that's going to detail a couple different ways to take care of it, all right? Without admitting responsibility, you acknowledge receipt of this complaint. I need your signature right there.
Yeah, absolutely.
Apartment 3150 Harrison Street. RP Shirley will be in the office. RP is the manager advising of a delayed theft of tires from the property.
So like I said, I think it's $160, $165 for the
If I could
violation.
try to,
Yeah. So what you can do is you can appear in person in court, which sounds like that's what you want to do to try to work on figuring it out.
Right.
You can also flat out pay it online or by mail. Okay. The fee schedule is all over here. All right.
Alrighty.
What the fees are. So that's going to be yours. Give you a copy of this.
2410
And you said you're going to call somebody to pick you up?
no, my uncle's just a block down,
Okay.
so I'm gonna just trying to
Push it over there.
push it over there.
Okay. All right.
All right.
You have a
Hey,
great day.
what was your name?
I'm Officer Truver.
Officer Triver, and thank
Nope,
you
don't
for.
shake hands.
Huh?
Sorry. I don't shake hands.
Oh, I didn't know that wasn't
I
allowed.
did the fist bump thing.
Okay, cool
Yep,
deal.
Yep.
Hey, at least you didn't arrest me or send me to jail, dude. Thank you for that.
To do that, unless you're creating a whole bunch of havoc.
Nah, honestly, I make YouTube videos on this stuff, so like, you're gonna be on YouTube.
Hey, send me the link, man.
All right, it's spikemandan@youtube.com.
Well, my email address is on there. ctruver@cityofkingman.gov.
All right, cool deal, dude.
You have a good day.
You too, man. And thanks for not arresting me again. Ah, that sucks. Just got a $160 fucking fine. But we're gonna go ahead and stop by my uncle's and see if anything's going on there. Yeah, guarantee he's not gonna hear this over his fucking loud ass Harley. Yo, yo!
What's up?
Oh, you know, just got a $160 fine for riding this thing.
Yeah, I'll bet. Until they take it away.
No, he let me go.
No plate. There's no plate
Dude,
on it.
dude, it's a mini bike, not a motorcycle.
Yeah, well,
I bet I could fight it in
Supposed
court.
to be a moped law.
Yeah, there should still be a moped law. So I'm gonna try to
How
see
do
if
you know
I
it's
can.
$160?
He told me.
Oh, they tell you how much?
Yep.
That's fucking bullshit.
Dude, that's
the
horseshit.
breather right here?
Yep.
Cool.
Yeah, it's got a little more modification since I showed up last time with the
Yeah,
other
you
engine.
changing stuff on it?
Well,
Heating
this
newer?
one's the Hemi.
Oh, I know it. You're saying that. That's heavier too. Huh? To wait a little bit now.
All right, so people on YouTube, I'll get back to you in just a
160
minute.
bucks.